We'll go through the steps that it takes, and you can see that each step is not very long at all, and it's not real complicated. You start with some little fittings right here, but we got to get them customized so they'll work as a carb breather. So step one of the whole process is we got our little tools made. So we got a spade bit there with a special cut on it so it'll make the shape right, and we're going to start by shortening up the threads on it so they'll fit together right. Then we'll go on to the next step, little by little by little, probably 10 steps or so, and then we'll have some little carb breathers.